I'm just filming a lot because most of the stuff's probably not going to make it into the vlog, but this part probably will. QT, say something to your fans.
Well, thinking about getting my toes eaten by fish.
Oh, is this is the place where you get your toes eaten by fish? Oh, wow. I thought you were kidding. It's a restaurant. It's a fish tank. Smells kind of fishy in here. All the fish is fresh, straight from the tank. Well, do they know I'm half fish, half man, 100% fast boy. I'm here with Quentin. Quentin, how many pulled pork sandwiches does it take to make it onto a DCL?
Well, you know, I kind of lost count, so.
We're on our way to the cabin. QT, how many cookies does it take to be super fast boy?
All of them.
What's up, you guys? In today's video, we're going to talk about MultiGP International Open, one of the greatest drone races of all time, one of the biggest, if not the biggest drone race in the world. It's 4 days of non-stop racing, 7 tracks, including the Tiny Whoop tent, my absolute favorite part of the entire event. It was a lot to cover, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's jump right into it. He doesn't try to attack me, bro. He's flexing. What's up, you guys? I'm out here getting some practice in before the I.O. 2 days to I.O. I'll be leaving tomorrow. I got 8.5 hour drive tomorrow, and yeah, so should be fun.
So I'm here with Chris. Chris, what do you think of the I.O. this year?
Man, it's been a great year. The weather's been beautiful. Tons of talented pilots. Everything's been going amazing. I was really blown away last night. The Tiny Whoop race was insane. People have gotten so fast with Tiny Whoops. I don't think I can compete anymore.
Nurk, how are you liking the I.O. this year?
Dude, this is right here in my backyard. I.O. is the best event every year. It's the Coachella of drones and drone racing, and it's so fun to just come and see all my friends and be here and hang out, and it's a blast.
Here with the legend FPV Vegan. How are you liking the I.O. so far?
Dude, I've been drone racing for a long time. It's my first I.O. and it's everything I've been told about. It's an unbelievable event. The volunteers, the effort that gets put into this is unbelievable, and the racing has been epic, and there's still more to go. So, looking forward to it.
Leadfingers, what do you think of the I.O. this year?
I.O. this year has been great. The Tiny Whoop tent party's been awesome, and World Cup qualifying is being super cool. It's my first year doing World Cup qualifying, and it's going awesome. I'm having so much fun.
So my car broke down. We got stranded, so we're making a fire. I'm just kidding. We made it. We made it. That's right. Show him how it's done. Promise you he's not smoking toilet paper right now. It looks like it, but he's not. We're trying to get this fire going. Although from this angle, it really looks like you're smoking toilet paper. Tell us how many fires it takes to become super fast boy.
All of them.
Maybe if you pour some of that chocolate milk on there, it'll help. So we made it. We're here at the I.O. Did you get your free stuff?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah? What's in the bag?
Let's see, we got some glasses, we got some battery straps.
Oh, really? I didn't even check my bag yet. You got battery straps?
What else? We got stickers galore. I think that's about it. Let's see what this thing
Nice, dude.
Ooh, 15% off T-Motor.
Rocky, here we have a Quentin in his natural habitat.
Fixing drones on race day.
Quentin, how many drones do you have to fix to be super fast boy?
All of them.
Here with pilot Bent Probs. How'd it go?
It went great. We didn't crash.
We didn't crash. That's a good day. What's up, you guys? We're here at the spec track. Gonna get a couple packs in before I gotta go work.
And yeah, it's been really fun. The Tiny Whoop tent is definitely one of my favorite things so far. And yeah, just hanging out and seeing all the pilots, a lot of people have flown with before in Discord and stuff. And just being here, hanging out with the boys, and just having a good time. That's all you can do, bro. Life's too short not to have fun.
New nickname for you is Mangate.
Okay.
How do you feel about that?
I like it.
AK, what do you think of the I.O. this year?
Oh, dude, it's so awesome. This is my first year ever coming to I.O.
This is your first year?
Yeah, it is. So it's so sick, dude. I'm having a blast.
And how did you do in the Tiny Whoop tent last night?
I was lucky enough to TQ qualifying and take the win. So.
All right. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, AK with the Tiny Whoop first place win. Let's go.
The whole shot as he is leading right now, number 1. Dark X and heads up FPV. Dark X just ahead of heads up FPV. Heads up FPV just got near the pass. This is lap number 2. Will they be able to focus?
Josh, how you liking the I.O. this year?
Oh, I.O.'s great. We're really enjoying ourselves here, and we're getting to fly all the different tracks, and we're getting to enjoy ourselves. And my son's here. He's over here, Proximo. He's out here flying as fast as he possibly can, trying to beat all these impossibly fast pilots out here. So we're getting excited for the World Cup. We're getting ready to prepare for that. So, yeah.
With Gemfan Mike. Gemfan Mike, what do you think of the I.O. this year?
Well, it's been great. The party has been on a complete different level. The races that they're organizing are incredibly well run. Like everything is on time. I'm loving this, except for this storm. But come on, you cannot control the weather.
Goons FPV, how are you liking the I.O. so far?
I.O.'s great, but when you do this to your drone, it's gnarly. So you got to rebuild.
Yep.
Just got to rebuild.
This ain't for the weak. All right, well, we're here on the bench fixing some quads. It happens, folks, it happens. So, yeah, just all part of it.
A little too often than normal.
Yep, more often than we'd like sometimes, but we out here.
Using the inflatable exit lap number balloon in my ear. It is now going towards my mouth. I am so sorry, crew. Back up in the air. Cruise now lap number 3.
To get underpaid.
All right, we're here at the last day of the I.O. Huge shout out to MultiGP for putting on this event. These guys go through a lot of effort to make this happen. It's been a super awesome event. It's been a lot of stuff to try and cover, so I'm going to do my best to explain it. A lot of really funny stuff happened, a lot of really cool stuff happened, so I'm going to do my best to showcase that. And yeah, stay tuned for more. With Erratic FPV. Erratic, what'd you think of the I.O. this year?
Well, this is my first I.O. and it's been an incredible experience. I didn't win a whole lot, but I think winning is just the friends we made it along the way, and I had a great time. I would totally come here again. I'm here with Flyway FPV. Flyway, what'd you think of the I.O. this year?
It was pretty awesome. There's a lot of stuff to do, a lot of fun tracks, a lot of people to see. Definitely a Tiny Whoop tent, highlight as always. Yeah, qualifying was great. Didn't really get the result I wanted, but that's okay. Still had a great time. Nothing really I'm too upset about. Yeah, I'm looking forward to World Cup, seeing everybody fly, watching all the fast boys do their thing, and yeah, should be a good day.
Here with Blipz. Blipz, what do you think of the I.O. this year?
Very good tracks. I didn't think they flew well in the sim, but when I flew them in real life, they actually flew really good.
Nice,
so
dude.
I'm ecstatic about that. Everybody seems to be having a great time, and you know what? For this time of the year, there's nowhere else I'd rather be.
That's what it's all about. Woodstock, how are you liking the I.O. this year?
Yeah, I'm really loving it, man. It's like you're a family all in one big camp. It's just like the Joe Nall week, but for drone guys.
Breakfast of Champions right here. Yeah.
Hey, where you going?